One of the things we need to do in the show is turn these lights on and off quickly. Now that can be achieved manually, going to these buttons here and doing that, which turns these lights off. But we would like to be able to automate that, which I'm going to do next. We've got this, which is a mains rated relay that can be controlled via an Arduino. And I tried it out on this fan and it worked. So I'm going to take this relay, an extension cord, splice this into the power supply of the extension cord, then plug these lights into that extension cord so we can turn them on and off via this relay. It's getting pretty hot in here. Now that we're nice and cool, let me explain what just happened. Since we last spoke, I've taken this mains relay, taken the plug off an extension cord, connected it into the relay, and then connected another plug to the other side of the relay. Connected an Arduino to the logic side of the relay, and I am controlling the Arduino by sending it signals from the computer via USB. Specifically, sending it the character 0 turns the fan off, and sending it the character 1 turns the fan on. So what you must never do is, whilst it's connected to the mains, is remove the lid. But even if you do by accident, the mains voltage is all safely contained in this box here. Mains comes in through this black wire, leaves through the white wire to the extension cord, connection to the computer via this USB. There's a small Vero board here where the logic lines and the power supply to the logic side of the relay are just soldered in. That stops them shifting about. That's now safe and can be taken with us on tour.
This is Foxdog Studios' brand new blender, fully automated. Let's take it for a spin.
Mom, I need a new shirt. Sorry, Mom.